Today I'm going to go through how we can use Desmos and what it actually is and what it looks like. So first thing we need to do is just search desmos.com, and that will take us up to Desmos's homepage where we have the option of multiple different tools and stuff we can use. What we're going to do is look at Desmos Classroom. So we're going to go to Teachers and click Browse Activities. If you don't get that sign as soon as you start up, what you might want to do is create an account, and then you can access it by going on teacher.desmos.com and signing into your account. This is the main page of Desmos, and these are all pre-curated activities that like famous Desmos editors have made, and there's multiple different things you can look at all the way down the side. But what we're going to focus on today is to do with your activity, so things that we're going to make in order to actually do our day-to-day teaching. So we do that by clicking in Custom. In order to get this, first of all, you click on Custom and yours would be empty. However, for now, what we're going to do is work out how to create our own activity. So if you could do this along with me, if you click on New Activity and let's label it Year 2021 Activity Builder Demo. We're going to look at how we can start creating a lesson using Desmos, but in order to do that we need to understand the core principles behind Desmos's algorithms here. On the main page, along the top, this would be your slides view, same in Smart and PowerPoint. This is an overview of all of your slides, and they can be added and deleted as easily as that. If you ever want to see what a student would see on a slide, this preview section will just bring up what the student would see. So this is blank because my slide is blank. If I add in a checkbox and preview it, they could see that the checkbox, but again, that is blank. I always use preview to just check whether things work. So let's start off with something simple. If I want to ask the students a question, I'd make a note and I would type in what question I want to ask. Do you know what 2 plus 2 is? If so, what is it? That would be as simple as asking them a question, but what you'll see from the previous slide, there's nowhere for the students to actually put in the answer. So what we do is we give them an input choice. If it's text, I would have a text input, but this was maths, so I'd want a maths input. Here we can see when I preview it, if I put in the answer of 4, happy to go. Inputs are really useful because you can ask the students to explain their answer. So this time, if I put in 4, I would need to type in an explanation for my thinking. And also I can share my classmates' responses. So if I type in 4 and my explanation, I would share it with class and my other students' responses would show up as well. So it's really nice to get a discussion point talking. That's all I'm going to show you for today's video. In the next video, I'm going to show you about my toolkit, which is my #1 resource for using Activity Builder, where I can just copy and paste slides across by using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. And this is really useful because I can take stuff from my toolkit and put it into a new demo slide and create a lesson much more efficiently. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're excited to see what we can do with Desmos, and I look forward to any feedback as well. Thank you.